Welcome guys. Let's do MoveBox token technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let me please show you all information. After that I will show you charts. Current rank of MoveBox is 248 and price of MoveBox is $4.25 right now. Market cap of MoveBox is $339 million. Fully diluted market cap of MoveBox is $4.25 billion. 24-hour trading volume of MoveBox is $85 million. Circulating supply of MoveBox is 79 million only, and maximum supply of MoveBox is 1 billion. Total supply of MoveBox is 389 million. All-time high of MoveBox was on December 1, 2021, about a month ago, and price was $15. All-time low of MoveBox was on June 22, 2021, about 6 months ago, and price was only 48 cents. And it is available on Binance, Gate.io, Poloniex. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get this link. This is Binance Exchange link. Click on this link and register your account. And after register, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also claim total bonus of $9,180 of these exchanges. Just click on these links and register with my affiliate links. And after registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. In Bybit, you can trade free $4,100 bonus. In Phemex, you can trade $4,100 absolutely free bonus. This is tradable bonus. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you first chart. This is MoveBox USDT pair 4-hour chart. Current price is at $4.24 right now. It seems very bearish because of the market condition. Here you can see crypto fear and greed index is at 15, which is extreme fear. Crypto market is in extreme fear. That is why price is very low. Here you can see price is right now $4.22 right now. These blue lines are horizontal resistance areas and these green lines are our support lines. But now it must hold this price area, $4 price zone. If in any case price break this, in that case price can further go down to this zone, which is $3.46, maybe $1.96, but I don't think. I think this is very strong spot is at $3.46, and this is also a very strong spot at $4 price zone. After that, price have to move towards the upside. This is the trend line. It have to break this trend line. Once it break this, in that case $5.16 will be first target, 5.68 will be second target, and after that these are all targets. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Let me please do this. Here you can see EMA ribbon is at the same point where this horizontal resistance exists, and it is at $5 price zone. It have to break this and close daily candle above this area. After that, upside rally will start. Currently we are in very bearish zone. It have to cross this area, $5.16 price area. After that, this upside rally definitely will begin, and this EMA ribbon is very important to break. Once it break this, in that case it is ready to hit these targets. And let me please hide these all things and let me please show you. Here you can see this is all-time high of this token was at $15.79 price area, and this will be the all-time high, and all-time low of this token was on this area. Let me please show you. Here you can see $1.96 price area. If I calculate, if I do fib retracement from bottom to top, after that here you can see currently it is in between 0.86 to 0.78 fib level, which is in between $3.56 to $4.94. If in any case it break $3.56 price zone towards the downside, in that case next area is $1.97. I think it have to break $4.94 price area, this area. After that upside rally definitely will begin, and after that first target would be maybe 0.61 golden pocket, which is $7.27. After that $8.91, and after that $10.55, and after that $12 price area. Currently it is looking very bearish, but for all these moves it have to break this area. This area is very important to break. Once it break this area and it is $5 price area, in that case definitely upside rally is about to begin. But after that, and let me please show you daily chart. This is Mobox daily chart, and currently it is in this descending wedge pattern and it is a bullish pattern. But unfortunately we are in extreme greed period, and that is why maybe price can further go down. And this is the bearish, most bearish target, $1.91. This is upper trend line, this yellow line is upper trend line, and this white line is main horizontal resistance, which is at $6.59 price area. Once it break this yellow upper trend line, and after that our target will be $6.59. This will be our first target, and if it break this horizontal resistance, next target is $8. After that, if it break $8 price zone, next target is $10.30, beginning of this descending wedge, and it is very important to break this area. After that upside huge rally definitely will start, and we have to wait until that it break $5 price area. After that $6.50 price area is very important to break. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is looking very strong, and it is at $5.84 price area. Once it break this trend line, after that this close daily candle above $6 price area, in that case price will go up. Otherwise we may see that kind of actions like this. But once it break this area, after that price is ready to hit like this. This will be the possible scenario, and after that price definitely have to move towards upside after breaking this EMA ribbon. And this EMA ribbon is very important, and these CPR levels are also very important. These are monthly CPR levels of Mobox, and here you can see these levels are at same price zone, $10 price zone, after that $8 price zone, and $6.59 price zone. Once daily candle closing above this zone, $10.30 main area, after that this is our first target, this blue line, and it is at this zone, and after that these are our second targets. But if price fails to break this area, $6.50 price area, and fails to get support from here, in that case this will be our bearish target, and this is monthly CPR bearish target, and it is at $1.45. Maybe price can hit this zone, $1.45 price area. Maybe price can hit this zone, $6.80 price area. These are very important levels and price targets. I think price have to hit this area, $6.80, not $1.45. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, then go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get this link. This is Binance Exchange link. Click on this link and register your account. After registration, you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. Just register with my affiliate link, and after registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces and you can trade with these bounces. You can trade with $4,100 in Bybit. You can trade in $4,100. You can trade by $4,100 in Freemax too. And these are free bounces after deposit. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.